What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be jumping into Animal Company VR, and I'm gonna teach you how to take it from daylight to darkness to make this horror game even scarier. Oh my god. But before we get started, I need your help to defeat the evil YouTube algorithm. And helping me is pretty easy. All you gotta do is hit that like button to use your special move. Subscribing makes it really mad. And then leave the comment down below, I'm helping you fight. Also, make sure you're not a part of that 91% who just forgot to hit the subscribe button. We are on our way to 20K subscribers, and it's freaking crazy, dude. And to celebrate, I'm gonna be doing a 10K giveaway in the form of a talent show. So if you have a talent, jump into the Discord to learn how you can join and win that 10K. Now, let's get straight into the video. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be answering one of the most asked questions I've ever gotten, ever. And Chris is gonna join me. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do the dark mode or the horror mode.
And I've never done it before.
I'm excited. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Okay, so first what we're gonna need is some purple broccoli. So how do we get there?
I definitely know. I like the, yeah. Okay. This
Okay.
way.
Yep, I think you're right.
I think I know where it is. I think it's still the same way. I think it was near Angler Cave.
Man, you
I found
sound
it.
quick. Good job.
It's all the way over here.
So first, we gotta come get some purple broccoli. If you don't have it unlocked, like me, then we gotta go in here. But if you have it unlocked, it's a lot easier for you. Woo! Woo! Now that we got the broccoli, we need to go back. Okay, so we just need 2 broccoli. We gotta get tiny. Ooh. Oh! Oh!
Whoa!
Yes!
Hey, I just see a thing.
Now we're huge! Okay, so there's 2 ways to make it night mode. And we're gonna need 4 broccoli. But I died, and now we don't have enough. The mini broccoli! So what you're gonna need is the mini broccoli. So if you didn't grab enough, or if you did grab a bag and you died like me, you gotta come back here. Watch this. Check this out. I'm gonna jump under, grapple this, and sling
He's
myself.
about to be Elon Musk.
Watch
He's
this.
about to be Elon Musk.
Oosh. Woo! Okay, guys, this is the nighttime I'm talking about. Check this out. It makes the lava look way more creepy in here, especially the tower. And then even over here in the safe house, like it doesn't offer that much light in being a safe house, but this looks crazy. If you've been watching any of my past horror movies, this is the night mode that I've been using to make it look more scary. If you want to check those out, I'll put those on the screen or a link in the little corner of the screen. Definitely go ahead and check that out. This is crazy. They need to just add this into the game.
Yeah, that would actually be really fun.
Right? Like a horror mode. Like imagine if it like slowly turns to nighttime, and then when it turns nighttime, the monsters and the anglerfish can come out, and you're only safe in the safe zone.
Oh, that would be fun.
That would be crazy.
So fun.
Right?
They have to add that.
Because
they have to.
wait, imagine this, Chris. Imagine this. Check it out. We're like looting. We're going to get some like the ores and stuff, right? And then we come back out of the caves, and it's nighttime, and we gotta be like, oh no, watch out, it's dark.
Oh yeah, that would be fun.
We gotta get past the ogre. We gotta get past the anglerfish to get to safe zone. And then imagine this, we're in the safe zone, see? And then an anglerfish is like, we're like, oh no, okay, he's gone. Sail it, sail our bag, sail it. Ugh. And then run, he's coming, anglerfish is coming. That would be so crazy. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do this. But first, we gotta go over some do's and don'ts like I was talking about earlier. Okay, so now let's go over the do's and the don'ts. Once you get it into night mode. Okay, so now let's go over the do's and the don'ts. So, once you get into night mode, one of the things that you don't wanna do is what
You should do this.
Chris said. You don't wanna die. That doesn't do anything to you. You don't wanna die because if you die, it'll reset it and it'll be daytime.
Like this!
And then another one of the don'ts is you don't want to go up into the spawn area. Unfortunately, once you get past this first step right here, it'll also turn it back to daytime. And then another spot that you don't want to go is just past that dark spot. You see that dark spot right there? The little square? If you go past that, it'll turn daytime, unfortunately. So, you can come all the way over here. I think you can go pretty far that way.
Oh, I'm true.
I don't know if you can. Tell me how far you can get before it turns daytime. Is it still nighttime for you?
Yeah, it's still nighttime. You're safe.
No way! What the heck? This is creepy. Oh, look how
Turn your
creepy.
flashlight off. Turn your flashlight off.
Look how
Okay,
creepy.
no, I'm turning mine back on.
Look how creepy it is. Imagine coming over here and like a monster just comes out of the water. Oh, that's so creepy.
Yeah.
So I guess you can go all the way to the end of the dark, or to the end of the dock. Oh no!
Not.
So you can go to the end of the dock, but once you come out, it goes back daytime. like
That's
this.
another thing to do not do.
Yeah, this is another thing not to do. This is what it looks like when you're tiny and it's night mode. And then this is what it looks like when you're normal size and it's night mode. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to make it nighttime. Are you guys ready? There's two different ways to do it. Are you ready, Chris?
I'm stinking. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now, once you got that unlocked, if you already have it, then this is gonna be a lot easier. I'm gonna pass
I'm
forward to
too
you.
broke.
So, you need 4 broccoli, and then you need a fan. So what I'm gonna do is eat these 4. You're gonna grab the fan just by the tip, just right here. And then we're gonna fly down here. We're gonna touch this. And we're gonna fly straight up. And then we're gonna go straight this way, towards those little plants there. And then it didn't work. So we'll do it one more time. Okay, so keep in mind this is the hard way. So right after this, I'm gonna show you the easier way to do it. So keep watching the video. And then boom, baby. Ooh! We done it! Did you do it? Is it dark?
Yeah!
Isn't that crazy, dude?
It's creepy.
This is so creepy. And it makes it even more creepier if you use a flashlight. Like you've...
Oh no.
Oh my
Oh
God.
no! I don't like this anymore.
So there's also that you can mess with. And keep in mind, so if you try to do film and you're tiny, it's gonna be brighter. Okay, so now I just showed you the first way. So we got 4 broccolis, we got a fan, we flew up to the ceiling, and then we flew out, and that made it dark. So now, Chris, I'm gonna show you the second way to make it dark, okay? Ready?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
This time we're gonna eat only 2 broccoli. Okay. And then we're gonna come up here with our grapple hook, and then we're gonna look at this corner. We're gonna push ourselves into the corner until it gets dark, and then we're gonna drop to the floor and come out. So stay to the floor, and then we're out. And then look, it's dark. Did it work for you?
Yeah.
Nice.
So what happens if you go in here?
Look,
What happens
it's
if you go
dark.
It stays dark. Yeah!
So that's how you do the dark mode. If you guys are still here, you're an absolute legend. Thank you guys for checking out my videos. Now I'm gonna put 2 more videos on the screen. You guys should check them out. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe.